AMD looking good. I mean, this has been one of the reasons why I've been, AMD's a big stock. It's AMD's not going to go higher with everything else going lower. That's just not going to happen, especially with semiconductors and how they're leading. But I think this green count's playing out 1, 2, 3, and you see how overlapping and messy this is. The red count says that this is a B wave and we need a C wave down to here. And this isn't a 5-wave move. This is an overlapping mess of a pattern, which lends itself to being a 4th wave. It went right into our target zone. We were accumulating up in here, and look at this breakout we have. So, and it's a 3-wave move. Unfortunately, this move higher is a diagonal, so it's going to be a 3-wave move up into this range right here. But so far, so good. I would expect we get some kind of a retest, and then a big move higher. But AMD's looking good so far. We may even add if we get the kind of if we get an obvious retrace. So anyway, that's what I have today, and I'm going to take some questions right now. So can you give an update on Marvell? I think the odds that Marvell is going to a new high is pretty low. This was kind of my line in the sand. And these lines in the sand, you can't really cross it, even a little bit. And so it crossed it. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. I think we'll probably get some kind of a retrace that makes maybe a triple top, double top, maybe even just a lower low, but we'll probably reduce Marvell. This is one we want to own for the long haul. We really do. It's going to be a great AI stock, but we're early and it's just not a strong stock right now. So we'll probably knock it down to a 2% position, something like that, and just hedge the rest. But the time to, buy for the long haul, we don't think is right now, based off what I'm seeing. Okay. Lam Research. Yeah, you're going to see one of our themes coming out in 2024 is definitely going to be memory. And it's just like everything else, back when we were looking, it was like, what has the biggest move higher from here, and, Lam, I think potentially has like a 30% move. And then you compare that to Cloudflare. Let's see here. Where's, let's say from this breakout zone, you're looking at a 50% move. So the question isn't like, do we want to buy here? We don't want to buy here. We don't want to be accumulating with a LTBH, long-term buy and hold mindset here. We want to be accumulating for a move higher over the next couple months. So Lam just isn't really going to give us that, but we will be making a heavy position in Lam once we are starting to buy, with a long-term mindset, which is just not right now.